get it. You've probably tried everything. The bullshit diets, smashing yourself in the gym, supplements, and maybe even skipping training sessions to avoid injuries. But somehow it never quite sticks. You feel like your body is working against you and the clock keeps ticking. Hey, what's up? My name is Danny Watkins and I'm the creator of the 12-week Boss Mode Elite program. If you're an over 40s Jiu-Jitsu guy watching this, chances are this isn't your first rodeo trying to get back in shape. Inside the Boss Mode Elite program, we've worked with dozens of guys like you, helping them lose a full gi size, reclaim their strength, and get back to training confidently without sacrificing time with their families or living in the gym. We guarantee you'll lose a full gi size in 12 weeks or you don't pay a cent. And I'll even give you $200 for wasting your time. That's how confident I am. See, here's the thing. This is more than just about losing weight. I know the struggle. A few years ago, I was falling apart, literally and figuratively. I had a newborn baby at home and was trying to balance jiu-jitsu, family life, and work, but the weight was creeping up, my confidence was in the toilet, and the injury list kept growing. I felt like I was losing my edge and losing my identity. It started affecting everything. My time on the mats, my ability to keep up with my younger training partners, my family life, and my mental health. I was at the point where I was considering quitting jiu-jitsu. I just wasn't the same man anymore. As cliche as it might sound, that's when I went on my own health journey. I invest a lot of time, money, and effort to get back to where I used to be. I'm happy to say those challenges are in the rearview mirror, but it was this experience that pushed me to create Boss Mode Elite. I knew that other over 40s jiu-jitsu guys were going through the same thing, and I wanted to help them sidestep all the mistakes I made and the dead ends I ran into during my journey. In Boss Mode Elite, we take a completely different approach. We tailor everything to you, your body, your schedule, your goals. You're not just another guy in the gym. We're here to help you train smarter, drop the weight, and bulletproof your body so you can avoid the injuries that keep you off the mats. Now, this program isn't for everyone. It's for those who are serious about getting back to their peak and aren't willing to settle for mediocrity. We're looking for 5 guys this month who are genuinely committed and want to reclaim their fitness, their confidence, and their identity. Guys who want to roll with their younger teammates and know they can still keep up, all while juggling work and family life. So if you're serious about turning back the clock, we'll guide you every step of the way. I'll personally work with you to create a custom training and nutrition game plan that fits your life. No bullshit diets and no wasted hours in the gym. And if you don't lose that gi size in 12 weeks, you don't pay. Plus, I'll give you $200 for wasting your time. So if you're ready to take action and finally get control of your body, tap the button below, submit your application, and we'll see if we're a good fit. This is your chance to get back on the mats, feeling stronger, leaner, and more confident than ever. Let's make it happen. Tap the button, and I'll see you on the other side.